Are blackheads annoying and makes you feel uncomfortable and ugly? Then keep watching, because by the end of this video I will show you how you can get rid of them. Let's start with the anatomy of blackheads. Dead skin cells and oils collect in the opening to the skin follicle, producing a bump, which on exposure to air looks black, called blackheads. Blackheads are caused mainly by the following reasons: hormonal changes that cause an increase in oil production during teen years, menstruation, taking birth control pills. But you don't need to worry about, as we have so many natural options that will help you to get rid of blackheads permanently. Considering home remedies for blackheads would be the best option, and here are most effective and easy to use options: baking soda, cinnamon, lemon juice, turmeric. Let's start with baking soda. Baking soda can help minimize this issue by closing your skin's pores and also shrinking them slightly in appearance. This ingredient has astringent-like properties that help close the pores and prevent them from clogging with dirt that give rise to blackheads and acne. Steps to use baking soda for treating blackheads: in a glass or ceramic bowl, mix about a tablespoon of baking soda with just a small amount of water to form a paste. Apply the paste to blackheads and allow it to dry for about 10 minutes. Then rinse it with lukewarm water. The next natural thing you can consider for blackheads treatments is cinnamon. The antibacterial properties of the spice help eliminate the bacteria that cause acne. All you need to do is use a simple cinnamon face mask. While the cinnamon fights the harmful bacteria, the honey reduces the redness and restores your skin's moisture. Mix 1 part organic cinnamon with 2 parts honey to form a paste. Apply a thin layer over blackheads. Leave the paste on for at least 15 minutes. Then wash it off with your favorite all-natural cleanser, and then follow up with a moisturizer. Lemon extract is another nature wonder. Lemons are antibacterial. They can help treat acne. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Let's find out how you can use lemon extract. First, wash your face with your favorite gentle, natural cleanser. Squeeze about 1 teaspoon of juice from an organic lemon into a glass or ceramic bowl. Dip a cotton ball into the lemon juice and dab it onto any blackheads that you have. Allow it to dry for at least 10 minutes before rinsing with cool water, or leave it on as an overnight treatment and rinse your face off in the morning. Last but not the least you can consider is using turmeric. One of the biggest nature wonders. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits, turmeric can work wonders on condition-riddled skin. It can also help reduce redness from blemishes and calm skin conditions like eczema and rosacea. Turmeric is excellent for acne because it is a natural antiseptic and helps to keep bacteria from spreading. To use turmeric for blackheads, mix a small amount of castor turmeric with water or coconut oil to form a paste. Dab the paste onto blemishes and let it soak in for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. That's it, and your blackheads would be gone forever. These are the most recommended natural remedies for blackheads. Hopefully the results are going to be you were expecting.